Nurse Paul, I've received Mr. George's CT scan results. There are some concerning findings that require further evaluation.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are the findings, Dr. Mihira?
The CT scan shows a mass in the lung. We'll need to conduct a biopsy to determine the nature of the mass.
Should we inform Mr. George about the findings?
It's important to be honest with Mr. George. We should schedule a meeting to discuss the findings and the next steps.
I'll coordinate a meeting with Mr. George and his family. In the meantime, should we prepare for any potential interventions, Dr. Mihira?
We'll need to monitor Mr. George's symptoms closely and be prepared for potential complications. If the mass is cancerous, we might need to consider further treatment options, such as surgery or radiation therapy.
I'll ensure that Mr. George is comfortable and has any necessary medications. I'll also notify the oncology team for further consultation. Mihira, it's understandable that you may feel stressed at times. Engaging in relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation can help calm your mind and reduce stress. These practices can be very beneficial in managing your overall well-being. To reduce your reliance on smoking, consider making gradual changes to your daily routine. Perhaps you could try taking short walks, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy to be active. These activities can help distract you from the urge to smoke and promote a healthier lifestyle.